stitch. We need multiple of 5 plus 2 for symmetry plus 2 for edge. So here I cast on the stitches 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2 for symmetry, 2 for edge, like this. We slip 1, knit 2 stitch, 1 and 2, do yarn over, knit 1, 2, 3 stitch together, like this. We knit this 2 stitch together again to the back loop and drop, knit 2 stitch, 1, 2, do yarn over, knit 3 stitch together, do and knit 2 stitch, drop, knit 2, 1, 2, last one, we just purl for edge. Row 2 we slip 1, purl 2 stitch, 1, 2, do yarn over, purl 3 stitch together. After we these 2 purl again, like this. Purl 2, 1, 2, do yarn over, purl this 3rd stitch together. After we do like this, purl 2. At the end we purl 1, 2, last one we purl for edge. These 2 stitch we repeat all the time. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show how to knit this simple, easy, beautiful 2 rows stitch. It's just easy to do, so fast to knit, like this. See, easy, beautiful, simple.